Desjoyaux, French-made quality. Desjoyaux has been operating Europe's only manufacturing facility of its kind since 1991. We make all the components needed to build a swimming pool in our 45,000 square meter workshop space deep in the heart of the Loire region. This allows us complete control over production costs and the ability to provide our clients with consistently high quality. We also draw on this knowledge to implement a sustainable development approach, which has seen us recycling our plastics since 1992. In 2014, we acquired an extruder to recycle household and industrial waste and turn it into polypropylene. This material is intended to be used directly in the manufacturing of our swimming pool structures. We push our expertise ever further, plowing the collective know-how of our 190 members of staff and our cutting-edge technology into manufacturing filtration systems, liners, steps, coping and surrounds, as well as pool equipment accessories and a host of different components. Our high production capacity means we're able to manufacture 60 swimming pools a day. And because we've always been ahead of the game, we invest 5 million euros every year in the ongoing improvement of our manufacturing performance. Our promise to you, 100% French production, ensuring complete traceability for our parts, as well as a sustainable development approach so we can offer pools that are more environmentally friendly. Desjoyaux Pools, the world's leading name in in-ground swimming pool manufacturing.